In this video, you'll learn how to sell Notion templates on Gumroad. This guide will walk you through each step needed to effectively set up your digital product for sale. By the end of this tutorial, you will have your Notion template ready for customers to purchase. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Notion. Once the page fully loads, log into your account if you have not already done so. This will allow you to access the templates you wish to sell. Next, select the page that contains the Notion template you want to sell. Navigate through your workspace and click on the specific page. This action will display the content of that page, which you will be sharing with potential buyers. After that, locate and click on the share button in the upper right corner of the screen. This button allows you to manage the sharing settings for your Notion page. A menu will appear providing several options related to sharing your page. Once this appears, click on Copy Link to generate a shareable link for your Notion template. This step is crucial as it allows customers to access your template directly after purchase. Make sure to keep this link handy for later use. Now open a new tab and go to Gumroad's website. You can do this by typing the Gumroad URL into your browser. Once the page loads, log into your Gumroad account or create one if you do not have an existing account. This platform will be where you list your Notion template for sale. Click on the Start Selling button to initiate the process of listing a new product. This option typically appears prominently on the Gumroad dashboard. Selecting this will lead you to the product creation area. Next, navigate to the products section in the dashboard. Here, you will manage all your listings. Clicking on this option will take you to a page that displays your current products and offers options to add new ones. Click on New Product to start creating your listing. This action will direct you to a form where you can input details about your new product. Ensure you have all the necessary information ready to streamline the process. Type in the name of your product in the designated field. This title should be descriptive and engaging, as it will be the first thing potential customers see. A clear and appealing name can help attract more buyers. Select the option for a digital product after entering the product name. This ensures that Gumroad recognizes your template as a digital download, which is essential for the purchasing process. Next, enter a price for your template in the pricing field. This amount should reflect the value of your product and be competitive within the market. Consider researching similar templates to determine a suitable price point. Click on Next, Customize to proceed to the customization options for your product. This section allows you to tailor your product listing to better appeal to customers. Take your time to explore the available customization features. In the customization area, type in the name of your product again to ensure consistency. This reinforces branding and helps customers identify your product easily. Provide a detailed description of your Notion template in the description field. This text should highlight the features and benefits of your template, helping potential buyers understand its value. Click on Upload images or videos to add visuals that showcase your template. High quality images or videos can significantly enhance your product's appeal and provide customers with a preview of what they are purchasing. Now, select a call to action by clicking on the appropriate option. You will typically choose phrases like "I want this" or "buy this" to encourage customers to make a purchase. This step is important for prompting action. Next, navigate to the summary section and provide a concise summary of your product. This brief overview should encapsulate what buyers can expect and why they should choose your template. Click on Add Detail to include any additional information that may assist buyers in making their decision. This could include usage tips or specific features that set your template apart. If you have a custom domain for your product, click on Custom Domain and paste the relevant link. This can help enhance your branding and make your products feel more professional. Finally, click on Save and Continue to save your progress. Ensure all information is accurate before proceeding to the next step, as this will streamline the publishing process. In the content section, click on the content you want to sell. This is where you will add the Notion template link you copied earlier. This link is essential for customers to access your products after purchase. Type in the link that you copied from Notion in the appropriate field. This ensures that buyers will receive the correct link to access your templates upon completion. Click on Publish and Continue to finalize your product listing. This action will take you to the final review stage, allowing you to confirm all details before your product goes live. After reviewing, click on Publish and Continue again to officially list your Notion template for sale. Once this is done, your product will be available for customers to purchase. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.